Hello students, welcome to today's video lesson. Today we shall do a quick revision of the topic of modals. A modal, also known as auxiliary or helping verb, is used with main verb in a sentence to convey special ideas and functions. The nature of modals follow these rules. 1. Never used alone without a principal verb. 2. Don't change with the number or person of the subject. 3. Do not have the infinitive form. 4. Modals have only one form. S, es, ing, ed and en are not added to modals. Let us go through the chart explaining the functions of modals. Can or cannot or can't. Possibility or permission or capacity or capability. Could or could not or couldn't. Request or necessity or possibility or emphasizing or capability or past tense of can. May or may not. Possibility or uncertainty or permission or blessings or desire or purpose or reason or information. May have possibility of an event that has already happened. Might or might not. Possibility or uncertainty or request or might have possibility of an event that has already happened. Must or must not. Obligation includes duty and compulsion or strong probability or necessity. Ought to or ought not to or oughtn't to. Moral obligation or duty or probability or advice. Shall or shall not or shan't. Used making a promise or commitment or wish or command or determination or request. Should or should not or shouldn't. Moral obligation or duty or probability or advice, past tense of shall. Will or will not or won't. Wish or command or determination or promise or request. Would or would not or wouldn't. Polite request, assumption, probability used with rather to express preference or past tense of will or wish or advice. Dare or dare not or daren't. This can be used as both main verb and modal verb. Hence, it is known as semi-modal verb. Uses as modal: courage or challenge or surprise or shock or anger. Need or need not or needn't. This can be used as both main verb and modal verb. Hence, it is known as semi-modal verb. Uses as modal: necessity or interrogative sentences. Have to or have not to or haven't to. Compulsion, necessity, duty. Used to, used not to. Past habit, past routine. Be before used to indicates present habit. Now let us go through some sentences to understand the use of modals. Could you lend me a dress? May I borrow your bike? Might I borrow your car? We should respect everyone. You ought to have taken my permission before leaving. She dare not step out of her hostel without the warden's approval. I would rather travel by car. I will ensure that he cannot escape punishment. With that, we come to the end of today's revision of modals. For further practice, do go through our question and answer files. See you soon.